Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video we'll be making hair grease butter. So this is Blue Magic coconut oil hair grease. So I will just be taking about spoon of each of every of my hair grease that I will be using today. So if you don't have this any of this hair grease that I'm using, you can use the one that you have is okay, or you can just go and buy the one that you see me using. So this is India hemp Blue Magic hair grease. I'm just going to be taking just little of um of the hair grease that I will be using. I will not be taking much. This is super short grow from Blue Magic, so I'll just be taking just little from every grease that I will be using today. So this is cantu hair dress, so I will be also be taking just little of this to the mixture. So to my returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming. If you are new here, you are also welcome. If you just subscribe, thank you so much for subscribing. Please, if you like this video, give me a huge thumbs up. So this is Jamaica black castor oil from mango and lime. So this is pure butter, guys. This is not hair grease, this is pure butter. So I'll also be adding that to the mixture. So the next I will be adding this Dr. Miracle hot grow hair grease to the mixture also. So just use any hair grease that you have at home. Even if you don't like using hair grease, I know at the end of this video you are going to love this and you are going to give it a try. So this is 100% India hemp, so I'm also going to add just little of this to this mixture. So guys, this is virgin hair fertilizer. I got a new one. My old the one that I have before is just like little inside, so I decided to get new one. So it's working. Oh, I get a new so I'm just going to add like a spoon like a teaspoon to the mixture. So just like so, guys. If you are not yet a subscriber, oh, please subscribe, oh, and turn on your post notification. So just add that much to the mixture. As you can see, not that much, but just little of that to the mixture. So now I think I am done adding all my hair grease. That is the grease that I use. I did not really use all my hair grease, but I just select the one that I will be using on this video. If you have more hair grease, you can also use more hair grease if you have. Okay guys, this is sesame oil, so I will be adding 1 spoon of this oil. This oil is so good for the hair and also for the scalp. So it also promotes hair growth, it reduces itching in the scalp and also irritation of the scalp. So this is almond oil. I will also be adding 1 spoon of almond oil. So guys, this is castor oil. This is 100% pure castor oil. So I'll be adding about 2 spoons of castor oil to this mixture. So if you have more oil, you can add any oil of your choice. So if you don't have any of this oil that I'm using and you have your kind of oil that you use for your hair, you can also use that. Okay, you can use any oil that your hair love. So I forgot to add olive oil on camera, which I did off camera. You guys know how much I love olive oil. So now I'm just going to mix everything together, the oil, the grease. I'm going to mix everything together, as you can see me doing right here. So now everything is just going to go inside, both the grease, everything is going to combine together so we can make our hair grease butter. So the next thing I'm going to be adding honey to this mixture also. I'm going to be adding just little spoon of honey. You can add more if you want, you can add less if you want, just depends on your preference. So I'm just going to heal every I'm going to fulfill everything inside inside my mixture, so nothing is going to waste though, nothing is wasting. So after adding the honey, I'm also going to mix the honey and the hair grease and the oil, everything together, as you can see me doing right now. So now that the grease is already mixed, that is out of the wheel. So now here is my organic cocoa butter. So this is pure cocoa butter, guys. If you are looking for this kind of pure cocoa butter, you can get it on Amazon. It's not that expensive, so just look out for Amazon, you get pure cocoa butter. So this is how much I will be needing. You can add more or you add less of the cocoa butter or any butter that you want. You can add more butter, guys. So here is shea butter. So this is also organic unrefined shea butter. Okay, so that I'll be adding this shea butter also to that cocoa butter. So you can also get this on Amazon in case you want to get pure organic cocoa butter and shea butter. You can also get it on Amazon. So now I'm just going to add that much of the shea butter to that cocoa butter. So you can add any butter that you have, what they call it, avocado or any other butter that you can get, you can lay your hand on. So now I'm just going to melt the cocoa butter and the shea butter. So cocoa butter is really hard to melt, it's harder than shea butter, but everything is going to melt, just be patient. So I'm just going to allow it to melt. As you can see, I'm also helping it, like breaking down the shea butter, because the cocoa butter I cannot even press it. It's so hard, like really hard. I can't even press it. So now I'm just going to leave it and allow it to melt on its own. So then when I just now I also melt the hair grease. So this is the hair grease, I also melt it to this form. So now that everything is ready, so here is my melted shea cocoa butter, and the other one is my hair grease, oil and honey. So now I'm just going to show you guys. So you don't really have to like melt it different ways, you can melt it along with the grease. So I just do it for you guys to see. So this is now I'm just going to add the melted shea cocoa butter inside the hair grease. So now I'm going to mix everything together. As you can see, everything is going to incorporate yourself inside that bowl. So now that I'm just going to melt it, then I will just leave it for some time for it to solidify back to its normal form. So you can put it in your fridge or just leave it anywhere you want. So now about 2 to 3 hours later, my cocoa, shea butter, hair grease and oil and honey, everything has solidified, as you can see. So I'm just going, the thing really gets solid, really hard. So I'm going to use this spoon to break down to kind of lift it up, so that I can use my hand mixer to mix it into a butter form. So that is what I'm doing right here, guys. It's so easy to do. I hope it's easy to follow also. So that is how I'll just do it. Just lift it up, because it's very hard now, and and I don't really miss it. That's why I'm lifting it up. So now here is it. I'm already mixing it with my hand mixer to a butter moisturizing sealing butter, guys. You can use this as a twist out, just use it as a silly butter, or just use it alone to moisturize your hair. Is so good, guys. It's also going to help to promote hair growth. You know, if you don't like grease and you say grease, I don't like grease, so guys, you can give this a try. You are going to love this. Like, it's going to be so beneficial to your hair. So guys, just going to continue mixing and mixing to a fluffy, beautiful consistency. So you can mix it to your preference if you want it how you want it to be. So this is it, guys. This is my hair grease butter, and just like so, guys. Now I'm done. Now look at how fluffy and nice this look like now. Just look like butter, like there is no grease inside at all. So I'm going to transfer this hair grease butter inside my empty jar here, so just to keep it and be using it anytime, any day, anywhere, anyhow you want to use it. So a video will be coming up very soon, so I'll be showing you guys how I use it on my hair and what I use it along with. So if you want to see that video, just subscribe, turn on your post notification so that you will not miss out any of my video. So more of this kind of concussion for your hair growth is coming your way very soon, and hope you don't want to miss that. Subscribe. So this is how my hair grease butter is looking like now. Hope you like it, and not to give this video a thumbs up, and also share with your friends and family. Tell your friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Even if you have that friend that don't like hair grease, share it to that person and tell them to try this hair grease butter. I know they are going to love it. Thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed. Happy Christmas to you all.